Want to customize your meal plan even more? It's easy to add new foods and recipes or remove items to create a menu that's just right for you. Let's start by removing an item. Click the pencil icon next to the food or recipe you'd like to delete. Select Remove, then click Continue to confirm. The item is removed from your menu. Notice that your nutrition graphs automatically update to reflect the change. Now, let's add something new. Click Add Item on your preferred meal tab bar. In the search box, type the food or recipe you're looking for. For this example, we'll type chicken. You'll see matching foods and recipes appear. To narrow your results, simply choose either recipes or foods. Scroll through the available options. Let's add chicken and vegetable penne pasta. If you'd like to learn more before adding it to your menu, click Show Recipe to view the recipe card. For additional recipe details, select the source link. When you're finished, close the Browser tab to return to the recipe card, then click the X to close it. Next, choose the number of servings you plan to eat. When you're ready, click Add Item. If adding the item puts you over your daily calorie target, you'll see a meal warning. You can choose to rebalance your day's serving sizes right away. Or, if you're planning to make several changes, wait until you're finished and use the Rebalance Day with My Changes button. For this example, we'll go ahead and rebalance now. Your new item is now added to the selected meal. Your serving amounts have been adjusted to stay within your calorie target, and your nutrition graphs have updated automatically. Your shopping list updates too. Simply return to the shopping page and click Refresh to see your latest changes.